He's back again.
Screen's black.
Yay.
Helen Keller.
No,
Run!
I'm loading.
Oh.
No.
Cutscene,
It's a
cutscene,
fucking
cutscene.
town. The buildings
Nope.
aren't destroyed for
Shut up.
once.
Shut up. Fuck you.
What do you mean?
Shut your mouth,
I don't
cunt.
see. Oh, I see it
No, I
now.
don't think I will.
Oh,
That's
it's a black
big
hole.
ball.
What the fuck?
Oh no. That's bad.
Ball.
Guys, this is like very cool.
Shut up, bitch.
Jump scare.
Stop eating chips.
No. Chips.
The tea did experience.
Past experience.
Yeah, literally, and this is literally just the cinemas. With that one annoying guy just eating chips. When the most important thing is happening. Colors work.
Are we there yet?
Yes, we are.
Hey, that's
No.
me.
Whoa. Is that me?
The repairman.
The repairman.
Actually
Like
pretty
the
cool.
flowers going in and out of the ground.
Flowey.
Flowey
like-
Valley.
I
God,
really like
that
the
really
flowers.
ruins the moment, doesn't it?
Oh no, I think
Yeah.
that's intentional. That's like the
Oh, it's
time vault
intentional?
Stuff, isn't
Yeah.
It
Apparently
looked
so.
unintentional.
Alright.
it? Right.
Radio.
Everyone get on short range.
check.
Oh yeah, of course.
Everyone get on short range 50.
We're all
Just
good.
so,
It's already on 60. fine.
just so Guac can listen in.
Alright.
Check.
Check.
Right,
Five-o
Hazel,
check.
that moves to the right of the uplink tower. And then we're going to try and get eyes on it from the top of that ridge, and then...
Be advised, we have a phantom close by, bearing 202, approximately 50 meters.
Right, pull north onto the other side of the ridge, and keep moving along.
Confirm 179. Teleported away. Title is any.
Any thrown object. Okay, so like chem lights. Okay, so use chem lights to distract the phantoms. Two people in the back, catch up.
Alright.
Oh no, sorry, that was colours. Never mind.
Yeah, holding position. No eyes on any contact so far.
Confirm no eyes on revenants either.
Right, blue team, I want you to try and get through that hole in the fence and secure the HQ building.
No, I have contact on humans, but they appear to be dead. Just face down in the mud.
Yep, same here. I'm gonna open the door.
Yeah, go check it out.
Right,
Building seems
Hazel,
empty.
colours, let's move in.
They had some kind of machine gun here. Oh yeah, it's a fucking heavy machine gun on one of the things here. It's completely destroyed. Completely corroded, completely destroyed. Good for scrap. Somewhat worn.
Shots. Took shots. Contact southeast.
Get back down here. Be advised, there's a scav camp northwest from you, down the hill. Might want to keep an eye on it.
I'll keep watching southeast.
Found some intel. Cannot read
Yeah,
it.
I got one. I got contact. 340.
Right, get that, Hazel, colours, get back here.
Carlos is back at the compound.
Also southwest.
Patching myself.
There's an arsenal in. Viva, arsenal. That's great.
Where did I see them?
You don't get back here, so you're not on your own.
We have to bring the new one.
I feel like we might have to.
Where did you take the shots from, Colors?
Oh, fuck.
I took some from southeast.
Northwest and southwest.
I'll hold this
Southeast as well.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm gonna hold southeast.
How are the repairs going?
Figuring something out.
Okay, that's shut down again. Seems a miss.
Oh shit, fucking hell.
This might
Other
be the
side,
perfect one.
Southwest.
Where's this fuck? I'm gonna get Colors stable because Colors is down. Ah, fuck, Tully's also down.
Roger, you need help up there?
No, do not come up here. Just defend from below. Let them get closer first. I'm gonna bandage these fellas up. Hazel, you still up? Hazel.
Don't fucking tell me, man.
Is Hazel down, Viva?
Unknown, I'll check the map. Confirm, all medics down, totally down.
Fuck, I see Hazel's lying here. I didn't realize that. Okay. This was a one life, right?
Confirm.
Okay. We are gently fucked.
Yep, and my mom most likely got a scam notification and sent me non-stop messages. Great.
Zeus will provide one Zeus to a medic once they're stable.
Fucking, how's he called? Colors is stable.
Do you need any help?
I'm gonna try to perform CPR on the fella. Oh, fuck. Guac, Colors is stable.
Command.
Okay, I'm up.
Yeah.
Who's down? What is down? Okay, what status is on
Hazel
Hazel?
and Tully.
Fuck me. Oh shit. Popping smoke southwest.
Fuck, we're
You guys reckon we might have to bring some good stuff, some of these fucking things elsewhere?
We are so fucked.
How is Tali?
I bandaged him up, that's about it.
Copy. Everyone else is up.
For now. There's enemies to our, let's see, to our west and to our southeast.
Two hostiles KI.
Good stuff.
One
Found
times contact
a-
neutralized.
Found a perfect transmitter thing, need to find where we can put it now.
Alright. So
Popping one times
guys,
morphine.
So how repairs were supposed to work was that you're supposed to have a special backpack where you would pull new servers out of to replace the broken ones. Those didn't appear to spawn in, so I'm giving you new servers here by this table.
Yep.
And so just
Gotcha.
replace any
Build
broken
power.
servers with the new servers, alright?
No hard rate. Viva, you got that. I'll hold security.
Okay. So we just need to fix them up, from what I understand.
Hang on, they're not carryable. Give me 1 second to make them carryable.
Give
Yeah.
security for now, Hazel.
Barely fucking. And we need to replace them with all the broken ones, I presume.
Yes, replace the broken ones with these once they're ready.
You're up. They're still injured. Hold on, let me fix you up. Also, Guac, speaking of which, was there supposed to be an arsenal here?
No, I said that over radio, but I don't know if you heard.
I did not. I'm
Alright,
gonna
that
give you
first
one dose of morphine.
the server should be carryable now.
I think I see morphine already.
One moment.
Wait, you took some?
Oh, no, it's good.
No, not these ones by the table here. Doesn't seem
Yeah,
to be.
morphine.
Oh, okay. Hang on, give me 1 second.
And my heart rate's good.
Don't take another for 30 minutes. Take
I got
painkillers.
fancy. Let me go back to basics real
I
quick.
think I medics have painkillers. Yeah,
This one's
I
broken.
mean medics have painkillers.
These two can.
T-Bone, you good?
Yeah, don't inject me
No.
with more morphine. I've
No,
already
you're
injected myself.
fucking not. You need stitches.
I've already injected myself with morphine. So.
Yeah.
How are the repairs going?
Thank you.
Trying them.
I'm bleeding again.
We need to get some extra
Watch.
assets.
Yeah,
doing that.
walk sting sport. That's what happened.
Alright, okay, so if we come under contact up here again, and it's heavy, we'll drag everyone inside and just hold the doors.
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, Ace check. Give me your health status, top to down.
Jolly Green.
Doing some basic bandages because I just fell down the building.
Colors green.
Connor green.
T-Bone green.
Alright,
Viva
they're carryable
perfect.
now.
The carriable now.
Yep, the replacement ones won't have the
There's
condition, by the
some
way.
spare medical supplies on the bodies around here.
One thing,
If anyone
the
wants
one
them.
who called it doesn't usually need to answer, so just go. If I call it, then just
Oh,
cancel
that
me.
fell
Okay?
off.
Oh, we can just
They
get it.
fell off, guys.
I fell off. Sorry about that.
I got a lump.
Okay.
That's
You think there's a genie inside
oh.
of this one?
I see. There's physics on this thing. They're being weird. There we go.
that's close enough.
That's just.
Potato, potato.
There
As
we
long
go.
as the-
That's good.
As long as the white.
Contact north.
Contact northeast.
That's southeast.
Down again. Down again. We might be missing something.
Check all of them again.
Where is it?
Gonna bring this one away.
Maybe it's just not positioned well.
Any servers up top?
Oh, negative. One more. Fuck.
Got one.
Connor,
Gentle hum. Perfect.
keep
working, kill 'em keep both, working, alright.
I'll keep
Alright, we gotta book it east into the gully and try and get back to the ridge.
Hold on, I need to fix
Oh.
myself.
Alright, everyone gather downstairs. Gather downstairs and we'll meet up from there. 50 meters or something? Or 100? With like the cameras.
Within danger
Oh,
zone,
what, there's
that's
a
for
big
sure.
group of scabs. Get to rocks, scab southwest. On top of a ridge.
Fuck.
Let's just hope that remnant doesn't come back.
Viva, get over here. Northwest.
Roger.
So you're not on your own. Alright, just south along these rocks, try and return fire.
Can't see him.
I'm trying to keep a lookout on the last positions of that remnant.
Good job.
I see it. It is moving slowly towards here. On the road still.
I got one of the scabs. There's probably still two left.
We got a guy down.
1 times negative.
Tolly down.
Where?
Somewhere next to you guys.
2 times contact down.
Someone's on him.
Get him
And
off.
Connor's dragging him.
Let me do it.
Yeah, he's on the rocks.
You got it?
Yeah, I got him.
Gonna keep eyes for that remnant.
I'm repacking my magazine. Oh.
Eyes on the remnant. It is still relatively far, but it's moving on the road towards us.
I'm fine. I think.
Take
No,
two
no, no.
knives.
It's moving next to the road towards us.
4 full mags and then 8 extra rounds.
Approximately 100 meters.
Totally should be up momentarily.
Okay, I see that he's up on the map. We should move out soon.
Right, we got the contacts out to
Yeah,
west.
contact neutralized.
Yep, we got him.
Repacking.
Revenant is 166, direction about 100 meters out.
Put grenade to that rightmost group on my mark.
Enemies are moving.
One moment.
Okay, throw. T-line open fire.
Throwing. Hits. I see the Revenant. They are 224 meters away. We're still in the green. On the beach, there's more scab.
Where? North
On the
or-
beach north.
Right,
Hazel and I are
campus
coming
clear.
Was just 2 scavs on the beach north, investigating.
Damn, that's cold.
More scavs are retreating,
They're running away northwest.
running away northwest.
Fucking shoot 'em.
One down.
2 down. Right, uplinks in here.
Roger, I'm here.
Repair techs get to repairing. Everyone else in the building hold the doors, try and minimize movement.
How do we repair this shit? Like no.
Tell us when it's all out. Sorry, tell us when the Revenant is close.
This
Currently
one's
throwing
fucked,
all the useless things away.
I've got one here fucked. I'm gonna replace that.
Should one of us stay outside for recon or no?
I'd rather we just all stick together in here. The mirror inside of yourselves the doors, we've got 1 to the west and 2 to the southeast.
Yeah, I'm holding the one southeast.
Holding west.
This one's clean.
If a remnant does come in, we'll bug out, try and draw it away, and then try and reinsert. Everyone hold still, don't move.
I got weird sounds to the south of me close by.
That's the remnant thing. I'm gonna try
Everybody
to
blinking.
blinking.
It's inside,
Helmet's
it's inside,
blinking.
it's inside.
Hold on.
Just don't move. T-Bone, stop moving. We are still fucked up without things. We cannot fix it yet. We'll try and fix it as soon as the Revenant is further away.
It has left the building.
Negative, I'm still getting my headlight blinking.
Yeah, but I'm saying it's not in the building anymore.
Connor, can you turn your head towards me? Yeah, it is still around. It's nearby.
I ain't moving.
Where is the last known position of the Revenant?
Went outside of the wall southwest of the building.
Roger.
Want me to go and distract it?
Moving slowly now.
T-Bone, if you do, make sure to say goodbye.
Be advised, it might be on the southwest side now. Bearing 200.
Alright,
can hear
T-Bone,
sounds from there.
if you want to try, move up.
It's like
Everyone get ready to bug out. In case.
We have
For now?
successfully replaced all the possible servers right now. It's coming back online.
Alright, okay, everyone bug out east. Bug out east.
Alright, we're good, right?
East,
Yeah, we
east,
gotta
east,
get
get
the
out.
boats.
Is it any closer? Ah, fuck! I got
Give us a
hit.
minute.
Oh, you
Stop
mother
moving, stop
bitch!
moving.
Hold on. No, draw away with chem lights. T-Bone, you good?
Nope.
Just
I'm
stop
out.
moving, stop moving, stop moving.
It's gone now for now. Wait one. Where is it? Hey,
Wait,
got me
T-Bone,
good by
did
the
you
way.
melee it?
Just stop moving.
Not yet. I'm gonna next time. Can someone
Right.
heal me?
Okay, alright,
Yeah,
seats
yeah.
T-Bone.
Holy fuck. Tourniquet your arm.
Yeah, will do.
To his head.
Watch for scabs coming from the south. They might have heard those gunshots.
Oh shit, alright. Shall we drop off some
Closing.
more equipment towards that one settlement?
It's coming closer.
Where?
The remnant's definitely from, like, I think northwest. I heard it for a second. And then my headlights started blinking more.
How's T-Bone looking?
Right. T-Bone is getting stabilized by colors.
Right.
ETA 10 seconds. We can
Sure.
move.
Alright, as soon as he is, we'll move east.
I hear it.
Moving towards Tali slowly. Shots.
Alright, we got scavs south. We'll deal
Southeast.
them quickly.
Revenant, close!
Fuck.
Close, at the building!
Draw away with chemites.
Westwards.
Draw back with chemites.
Hide if you can, I recommend it.
Oh god!
Shot.
It's chasing Tolly.
Hazel's down.
I'll draw it southwest, you guys deal with the scavs.
You got a second remnant front.
I'm hit again.
Dolly's gone.
I'm fine.
Yeah, so Hazel got hit.
Hazel,
We're still
climb up,
patching
crawl
myself.
over to us, crawl over to us.
Aye.
Find you.
Viva.
Is Tolly
Big
KIA?
lead.
One moment, I'm patching my chest up. I've been hit by a few bullets.
Something close.
Headlights not blinking. Not remnant.
Oh no, it was someone crawling in the mud. Yeah.
More southeast.
Get down.
Good hit.
Got him.
Guys fucking
Eyes on Tolly far.
Real quick, yeah.
He's just in an open field.
T-Bone,
The remnants were hitting him multiple
let me
times.
fix you up. Your legs are still
I could run for him, see if I can grab him.
Chem lights. I still
Otherwise,
14.
automatically just walked away when
12.
you fucking.
I have 12.
Can only raise
No,
one person.
Eyes on
Scavs.
remnant.
Direction?
I got you about 15 seconds.
120 exact.
I see southeast.
Fuck's sake.
One.
Okay,
Exactly
I'm going.
120.
Yep, going up currently for Tolly and try and fucking drag him over to you guys.
So hold on.
It's around here.
If you haven't taken
I see it. It is to
you
my
can
west.
take it.
Yeah, it's not doing it.
Remnant southeast, heading up the hill towards the scav camp.
Yep. We see her. Yeah, it's fighting the scavs now.
Let us shoot
Oh,
the
they are
scavs.
fucked.
Oh, never mind. They go.
Is Tolly KIA?
Tolly's down, but my radar says he's okay.
Need help?
Yes, confirmed there's a remnant currently to my right.
Well, distracted with the chem lights. I need to get to Tolly ASAP.
It is looking towards you guys right now. I'm trying to save it.
I'll fucking distract him. No, he teleported?
Negative. Colors, you're moving way too fast. It is directly to your north. It's moving towards you, Colors. Stop moving. Throw some chem lights. T-bone down. Do not move.
Hazel, where are you?
Revenant
compound.
north. 2 revenants north.
Next to Connor.
T-bone down. I'm injured badly.
Oh god. Can you make it back here?
Negative.
We can't get out of here until we know that remnant's gone.
Giving some tourniquets to Tolly here. He is relatively stable.
Cover. Dealing with T-bone.
I'm gonna patch him up and then carry him away. He's got a lot of bruises and wounds. It's gonna take a few bandages.
Check his heart rate.
Unknown. Wait 1. His bleeding has now stopped, but it's just lasting, won't hold long. No heart rate.
Give him CPR. Restart his fucking bleed out.
Checking pulse. Still none. I'll carry him away
Keep
now.
doing CPR. Keep doing CPR.
I'm gonna carry him over closer to Azel. Revenants are no threat as of now.
Copy.
Non-threat, so we can move in.
Negative. They are still very close. I'm currently just grabbing Tolly, moving away from them.
Got it.
I'm moving away and around so I can get over to you, Azel. Colors, you're still not in the green.
I know.
We're certainly not, no.
I'm gonna fucking die myself in a second.
Then stabilize yourself.
Can you patch it up, or?
I reckon I'm good. Giving T-Bone epinephrine, that should get him up, then I'm gonna start dealing with myself.
If you have an adenosine, that can help him bring his heart rate down if it's too high.
Where's Hazel?
Right here.
Around
Right the corner.
I see, I see.
Eyes on that remnant on the hill.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'll get it.
Tolly is at Hazel's position.
Remnant on the hill? Fucking amazing.
No heart rate.
Yeah, bring it up, please.
Connor, could you help me? I need you to put bandages around him.
Hazel, once T-Bone comes back to deal with him.
Move towards the southeast colors.
I can't, there's a fucking remnant right next to me.
Right next to you.
Doing
There
defib.
was.
Yeah.
To the portal.
As soon as you can.
As I check my
You
pulse
want to
first.
move southeast, so away from it.
Yeah,
Hazel, where are you?
Tolly has a pulse now. That's good.
Hazel is towards the northeast on the compound
Hey,
area.
I think he might be coming toward you. Slow your movements.
I see.
Remnant has made it to the first wall.
Just around the corner, T-Bone.
You're still blinking colors. Yes, it is kind of going straight towards you guys.
Alright.
It's going through the
Yes.
walls.
I'm gonna fight that thing.
No.
Oh,
No.
yes. If it gets here, I'm fighting it.
I threw a chem light at the corner here, hoping it can go towards it.
Fuck.
Have a blood pressure, and do we have a pulse? Yes, they do.
Oh,
although
it has
slowly.
crossed the wall. It is towards the south of the compound wall. It's moving towards colors now.
I don't have any bandages.
I do.
It is moving away from colors. It is moving away from me. It is moving towards. Never mind. It's moving towards colors again.
Pitching Tolly up. No.
Slow your movement. Slow your movement.
Welcome back to the line of the living, Tolly.
Alright, what's
Colors.
gonna happen?
Combat walk.
Alive again, that's what matters. There's remnants all over the guy.
I got it, I'm distracting you with chem lights. I'm good for now.
Roger. Yeah, we're good now. We're good now.
Okay.
What's the plan, Tolly?
T-Bone,
Is everyone ready to move?
Yeah.
Hey, from
I already took in the morphine, by the way.
dangers themselves.
Somebody's down.
Careful
Where,
on the
when?
rocks.
T-Bone down directly in front of T-Bone. Sorry, Tolly.
Do you have it?
Colors has him.
Hazel, come back. You're moving away. Remnant close, directly on the road, southwest of our position, 215 from my position.
Yep, headlights blinking.
Alright, everyone get on the south side of this rock so we're ready to move. When T-Bone's good.
Moving right now.
It is currently moving away from us. Into the valley southwest.
Copy.
Charlie's suggestion, we might be able to move down by the beach a little more lower. We will
Yep,
evade the
sounds
remnant
good.
that way.
We'll link up with you.
Waiting here then.
Alright,
It was
okay,
southwest of the road.
As well.
That's when you see the creature, right?
Something's telling me that the scouts might have actually found our boat.
Perhaps.
I see our boats.
Do you see a VBID?
Negative. Shots from the boat! They fucking commandeered it!
God damn
Try
it.
and get
They're directly in front!
spread out.
They were in the bushes right ahead of us.
One's
Get behind
down,
a rock right
one man
now.
down. Tolly then down.
Get into cover.
Someone help me get him to cover.
Connor?
I'm good.
Getting shot at.
The AI can get up, Be careful. Make sure they're dead.
Good copy.
T-bone up. Focus on Tolly now.
Bandaging.
Got it.
I'm moving left.
Reloading.
Good copy.
They shot me leg off.
Holly has no heart rate.
Guys, I'm red on ammo.
Someone have a smoke?
Affirmative. Hazel, you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. To be fair, he did, like, you know, go down like 7 times.
I got knocked. I'm back up.
Okay.
Right, everyone's up, so we'll
One
just
more
try and
scout now.
push. I'll push for the boat.
Ramen and Invisible. We should try to beeline the fucking boat now.
Fuck it, let's go.
More enemies, scouts. One more left. Alright, good. I think that's more towards the left.
One more on the beach down here.
Got one.
That's good. That's all of them. If you can, let's move to the boat. I'm moving on the fucking big gun right now.
Good job. Go.
Port left M2. I'm on it.
Alright,
I'm
someone
on the
drive
fucking
us.
boat now.
Driver's seat. Let me know when last man.
I'm in.
Holly's coming up. Wait one.
Last man, go.
I see the fucking remnant.
Light it up.
Fire the remnant.
Get out of here.
Guys, we've been given a boat that doesn't fucking turn.
Medics, patch up any remaining people.
No, you beached it!
The boat doesn't
No,
turn!
Keep going. It can go.
Don't worry about it. We'll be out soon. These boats are good. We're on open seas
Alright.
now. Great job.
Full speed.
It failed! Huh?
Aww.
Woohoo!
Good job,
Good job, everyone.
GG,
Fucking
fam.
great job.
Oh, my
I'm never coming back.
Yeah, fuck
Fuck
Strata.
silence.
Never going back to this.
I say I'm gonna.
User
Probably
left
just
your
going
channel.
on
vacation